Hello friend, thanks for subscribing. I feel gratitude that you appreciated my work. Thank you. Hi, in this video we see how to find out the big files in our PC and delete them. When we find out the very big files in the PC, the very common problem we face, to delete them we have to right click on open folder location and go to the location of the file located, then we should delete it. So in order to find out each and every big file, we have to run the search command again and again. But instead of repeating this process, there is a wonderful way whereas we can find the very big file with a search command and copy those search results to a text or Excel file, and then we can delete the files manually one by one, even without running the search command again and again. So now just go to your search bar in PC. Now type SIZG size : then you will see the options like this: empty, tiny, small, medium, large, something like that. Then I want to select Hues files. Just click on Hues. Now we see the search results here. See, now we got the search results. So in order to delete each and every file individually, just we should right click here and click on open file location. Then we go to that location. From there we can delete this file. But the problem here is then to see these search results, we have to run the command every time. That means here at the bottom you see 81 items found. That means 81 times we have to run this command. That is search size : Hues. We have to run this command each and every time for 81 times. Suppose if there is more than 500 files are there, then you have to run this command for 500 times. So instead of this, suppose if there is a facility that we can copy the path of the search results, then we can go to the location of the file and we can delete them manually. So for this, what we can do? So once we see these search results, I want to copy them. So for this, just click on Shift, hold Shift. Before this, just use Ctrl+A. The search is not completed yet. That's why we are not able to use this Ctrl+A. Once the search is finished, then we can use Ctrl+A. So if it is taking too much time, just click on Escape. Yeah. Now use Ctrl+A. All search results selected. Now hold Shift and right click. Now you see copy as path. So normally we don't see this command, but now we see copy as path. Just click here. Now open Notepad++ or any Excel file. And copy them. Now we can go to the location of the folders manually and delete these big size files. So this is the process of copying the search results from File Explorer in Windows PC and identifying and removing the big files in your PC. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.